Hello kids, let's learn wild animals names with live examples. Lion, Lion, and this is the live example of lion. Tiger, 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 and this is the live example of wild animal tiger. Tiger. Zebra, 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 and this is the live example zebra. Wild animal giraffe, 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 and this is the wild animal of giraffe. Elephant, 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 and this is the wild animal of elephant. Gorilla, 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 and this is the gorilla, wild animal. Kangaroo, 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 and this is the wild animal of kangaroo. Hippo, 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 and this is the wild animal of hippo. Fox, 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 and this is the wild animal of fox. Bear, bear, and this is the wild animal of bear. Thank you for watching.